Secretary of Justice Remulla naman kinumpirma ang pagtestigo ni Ruina Garma sa International Criminal Court laban yan kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Itong si Garma naman sa pagpunta nito sa Malaysia ay makikipagkita umano sa mga taga-International Criminal Court. Yan at ilan pa mga detalye sa pag-uulat ni Bombo Grant Hilario.
Kinumpirma ng Department of Justice na tatayo bilang testigo sa International Criminal Court si Ruina Marzan Garma, dating General Manager ng Philippine Charity Sweepstakes Office laban kay former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ayon kay Justice Secretary Jesus Crispin Remulla, ito mismo ang ibinahagi sa kanya ni dating Senador Antonio Trillanes IV kasunod ng ilang buwang pakikipag-ugnayan sa kaguran. Ito anya raw ang hinihingi ng International Criminal Court direkta sa dating senador kung saan ang testimonyo. Bukod sa pagiging dating general manager, siya rin ay isang retiradong opisyal ng pulisya na nasasangkot sa kontrobersyal na extrajudicial killings noong panahon ng administrasyong Duterte. Habang si former President Rodrigo Roa Duterte naman ay kasalukuyang nakadetene sa bansang The Hague, Netherlands, kung saan kinakarap ang crimes against humanity sa International Tribunal.
A few months ago, she appeared in our conversations. Or she was the subject of our conversations with Senator Sonny Trillanes because of her possible testimony in the ICC. The ICC had been asking Sonny Trillanes about making her available to be a witness in the case against Duterte in the ICC, in The Hague.
Kasabay nito ay nagpaliwanag naman si Justice Secretary Remulla kung bakit kinakailangan pang makipagtulungan o ugnayan sa dating senador dahil anya raw ito sa walang opisyal na koneksyon ang kaguran o pamahalaan sa International Tribunal kung kaya't si former Senator Trillanes. Dagdag pa rito, ibinahagi din ng kalihim na ang naging pag-alis muli mula sa Pilipinas ni Garma ay may kaugnayan sa kanyang pagtestigo laban kay Duterte. Makikipagkita o pulong anya ito sa mga otoridad ng International Tribunal sa kanyang pagpunta sa Malaysia. Ngunit nananatili pa rin itong nakasailalim sa Immigration Lookout Bulletin Order na inisyu noon pang nakaraang taon.
I think she has agreed to be a witness according to Senator Sonny Trillanes because I've been working with Senator Trillanes because we have no real official relationship with the ICC except for the fact that we protect the witnesses. And given that, and the fact that she was going to Malaysia to meet with the ICC, gave us reason to say, okay, because if she's going to be a witness to the ICC, we have said that our working relationship with the ICC involves witness protection. And the best way to protect her is actually for the ICC to meet her abroad. Because her life can be in danger in our country, let's face it. Uniform personnel ang kalaban. So, as we speak, she's with them right now, with the ICC people in Malaysia.
Samantala, parte sa naganap na pulong balitaan, ibinahagi naman ni Justice Secretary Remulla na bukas ang kaguran para gawing state witness ang mag-asawang Curly at Sara Diskaya. Kaugnay sa issue ng flood control projects, kanila kasing nabanggit na nais nilang mapasailalim sa Witness Protection Program.
Well, that's the law. I mean, everything can be considered, but we're telling you the principles that have to be followed when we admit people into the program. Una-una, di ko pa sila nakakausap. Diba? Parang first principle na gagamitin natin dito. Kung meron silang nakukuhang perang hindi dapat, isauli nila sa Republika. Yun naman ang first condition natin lagi. Di ba? You don't walk off laughing at the system because you enrich yourself and got away with the crime. Hindi. Dito, you give it back to the state where it rightfully belongs before you can even be considered for immunity. Yun talaga ang Whistleblower Act. We have to work on those premises.
Mula sa Department of Justice, ito si Bombo Grant Hilario, and this is Bombo Radio Philippines, the #1 and most trusted source of news and information. Bast Radio, Bombo!
For the most trusted source of news and information, visit our website at www.bomboradio.com. Follow us on Bombo Radio mobile app, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, and X, formerly Twitter. Like, share, and stay connected anytime. anywhere.